Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate Easypaisa payment gateway in Flutter. Firstly, visit the Easypaisa developer portal and sign up for a merchant account. After integration or registration, you'll receive API key and secret key. Keep these credentials secure as you'll need them for integration. Now open your terminal and run this command. Open the project in your preferred editor like VS Code. In your pubspec.yaml, add the necessary HTTP package for API calls. Then run flutter pub get. Create a new Dart file, then add the following code to handle payments. Run your app and enter the amount or phone number, then click Pay Now. Check your console for payment status. If you encounter errors, just click Check API credentials and internet permission. Ensure your Easypaisa account is in developer mode for testing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.